Oh, hello guys, sorry for the mess here, but I want to show you what today, if you didn't see the previous video, that's where I explain everything what I'm doing in this new little series of before posting food videos. So this is a construction video, like you can see here, they are still working in the meantime with a mess. But today we are creating the lights, because what I'm doing is something very special, very industrial. This is where the table is going to be, all the tables. Then I'm gonna go ahead and build like a big chair on the wall. It's gonna be another video. But today's videos is gonna be, we're gonna build 6 lights that goes here right on top of the tables, just to make this place look like more industrial. So it's gonna be cement and metal, but we're gonna make it in my father's place. So let's go ahead and come with me. Let's go to my father's place. So today we are with the little motorcycle here. I'm gonna shoot everything A to Z. I'm gonna show you my father's place. It's a really nice place where he works, and he got a little farm. I wanna show it to you before we start to work. Let's go ahead. Let me show you a little bit body. Come with me. Take a look of the Sea of Puglia. How amazing and clean it is. We're almost there, very close to my father. Let's go right here. Here we go, guys. Welcome to my father's farm. Okay, here we go. We get inside to get some food for the chicken. Va bene questo? We're gonna really be careful to this guy right there. This is the most dangerous one. This is the male. These are all girls. Well, let's get some eggs and then we go work. This is where the eggs are. Let's see, fresh eggs. So remember one thing. That's what I learned from my father. White eggs, that means that the chicken is white. Brown eggs, that means that the chicken is brown. I didn't know that. Let's go work, guys. Let's go. And now it's time to explain you the project of the nice lights that we're gonna create. So this is the idea. We're gonna put a piece of metal here, then we're gonna weld another one like that, and then we're gonna weld another piece here, another piece here, and then we're gonna have these 2 extra pieces of metal. So like this is like a metal bar. Metal bar. The idea is to make to create this little box here, like that. This is a box, wood box. Sorry for the sign here. So this is where the light ball is going to be, and this is where the metal bar is gonna stick out. So this is wood. So the idea is to put this inside here, like that. And then those 2, one on the other side and one on the other side, and then we're gonna pour some cement here, pure cement. We're gonna cover this with cement. The final result is going to be look like this. That's in my mind. There's a piece of metal, then we have this square of cement like that. So this is cement, and this is the piece of metal, those metal that bars that we put inside, it sticks out from the cement. So, and this is the cable of the light bulb that goes around, and then this is gonna be the light bulb. So you're going to basically, this is gonna be all brick. So you're going to see this part empty, those bar, you see this bar, this is a piece of brick cement, and then to make the effect of brick cement, we're gonna use some like plastic thing. So that's the idea of a creative ball. So let's go ahead and let's start this project. Let's go. Ciao. So guys, let me show you. We have everything here. So this is what my father builds. He builds some Madias, my home brand and everything, homemade from my father. This is my father and this is me. Come with me. Like you can see, with my little ape. In my next video, I want to show you how I build this beautiful table, because this is going to be the tables of my pizzeria. Like you can see, we built this from scratch. And this is gonna be on the comment below if you wanna see also how I made this, because that's what we're gonna make. So let's get everything that we need to start these lights. So we are creating the bases where those, because after this we're gonna put the cement, and then with this we're gonna create the breaking cement. Here we go.
Perfect.
So that's how it goes. Let me explain to you. Then we're gonna put this in between. That's it. Then we're gonna put this one right here. We're gonna make a hole, and we're gonna pass this right there. And then we're gonna make a hole right there. And this is supposed to create the light right there.
Perfetto.
So let's make 6 more. I ferri qua.
Ok. Vai. Oh,
Mo, chi ti ha mandato?
Oh.
Chi ti ha mandato? Top class, thank you so much, my love. Ah, spuntino time.
Mamma mia.
Tovaglioli, thank you so much. Vuoi un poco?
sì,
You want a little bit? Don't be shy, come here. No?
No.
Ah, this is our break. Now it's time to go ahead, smash the like and subscribe.
Ah, l'acqua pure.
And the water. Okay, done. All the air is out. Cement is placed. Cement is placed and everything. Now we're gonna wait about 24 hours and see tomorrow how they come out. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, here we go. This is the day after, and let's see if we did a good job or not. Voila. It's definitely hard. Now, what we need here is something like that. We have to detach the wood. Be careful, don't break it. But the nice thing of this style that I'm giving to the pizza place is industrial. The nice thing of doing the style of industrial is that the imperfection, it looks always perfect. So that's the nice thing. Let's go ahead, let's detach the wood from the art that we create. Gentle. The moment of the truth. Three, two, one, and boom. Voila! We have our own little cube, the little part with that we put inside, you remember? So we're gonna go ahead and take off little by little all this part. Be careful the cable, you remember the cable? This, you have to be careful, otherwise we're gonna cut it and then we're gonna throw away this. So we don't wanna waste our job. So we're gonna check it out little by little. We have to find out where is it. Okay, now that the light is complete, this is the idea. As well, let's put this special light bulb that we bought. This video is not being sponsored by anyone. Look at this, this is nice, huh? Ready to see the final results? Love, so this goes on the front, and boom, voila! That's the idea of the light bulb. So tell me what you think. I think it looks outstanding. Nice. Get some details in there. Right, look. Here we go. Beautiful. I think it looks outstanding. So guys, for now, go ahead and wait until the end of this journey. So I'm going to post more videos about the build outs. Please comment below if you want to see more. You give me some motivation. And sorry if I missed something or I didn't do something professional anyway, but this is not my job. This is just for passion. And I'll see you next week or in a few days, depends. The next video is gonna be the build outs of the bench. So we build a big bench and then the tables and then everything else. So thank you so much guys, and I'll see you at the final product, final project. Soft and crunchy pizzeria is going to be born soon. Ciao!